are three skills in this agent. One is product inquiries. Then the other one here is called answer question. And then we have here the last skill, which is called get order status. This is connected to two Airtable databases for customer orders. This is the database that we're using. And for the product list, for again product related inquiries, this is what we're using. Let's do a quick check. All right, so do you have any, let's just use the old one. All right, I'm gonna run this skill. So we're currently testing using our new feature called form preview. If there's an image included or a product image URL, it will be fetched as well and will be shown to the customer like this. All right, together with other information like the product code, price, what's the brand, and what's the product name. So let's test that with a chatbot. I'm gonna type in here the same question I typed earlier. So, do you have any recommendation for a mousepad? Okay, so as you can see, it's calling onto this skill, agent skill, product inquiries, and now it will provide the answer. The next thing that we will do here is deploy this agent and then embed it in a website. We're going to deploy this agent to the cloud. So we're just going to click this deploy button here, and then we're going to add a title. So personally, I just use version as my title. After adding the title, you're going to select your subdomain. So you have an option to deploy your agent using the subdomain hosted by SmythOS. So this one. But if you want to deploy this publicly to your website or anywhere, you might want to use your own subdomain like this one. So to do that, you'll just have to go to the, I'm going to show you, to the subdomains dashboard here. Then I'm going to click add subdomain, add here your preferred subdomain label or path, and then next. Okay, you need to add this to your DNS as a CNAME record. You have here the host and the target. Click verify, and if there's no problem, it should push through without any issues. Then you'll have it here in the list of your verified subdomains. So I already have it here. All right, so again, going back to deploy here. So let's just try to deploy. I'm gonna deploy this. Once you've deployed your agent and you want to deploy it to your website, let's say as a chat embodiment, you go to settings in here, and then go to deployments, make sure the chatbot is enabled, go to configuration and configure your chat embodiment. You can add your logo, you can change the colors of the bubbles, and as well as the submit buttons. Once you're done, click the save configuration button, and then go to integration, copy this integration snippet, and then embed it in your website. This is how it's gonna look like once you've deployed it. Open this, and this is what the chat embodiment will look like. So, all right. So, there you go. Do you ship abroad? It's not working. That's how to deploy an agent in your website, public facing. That's it for the customer support agent.